Consent. Consent is needed to market to your contacts. You may have already obtained consent through a physical form your contacts sign during checkout, or a checkbox they check during sign-up, or by some other means. If you are using a keyword, and contacts are texting that keyword to your business, you technically are receiving consent. However, FlexText offers a double opt-in so that your business remains compliant with the TCPA Act and so that you may show your business remains compliant when texting consumers. To set up consent, click the arrow under the username, and then click on Settings. Navigate to Text Consent on the left-hand column. Enable text consent and select either New or All. New will only have new contacts consent to continue to receive text messages. In the consent text box, put in the automated message you would like your contacts to see when they text your number for the first time. Or if you click Populate for me, FlexText will fill it in for you. You may add additional words to accept consent, such as OK or Agree, using a comma between each word in the field shown. You may also choose a repeat message and how many times this is repeated if the contact does not reply with the correct response. FlexText will also opt out any contact that replies with stop to any of your texts. This is done automatically even if a please reply stop message is not in your text. However, it is in good practice to have a please reply stop message in each of your marketing or reminder texts. In TextCast, you may click the opt-out button to have this message automatically added to your TextCast.